Yo, wagwan guys, I went to the Marley Bros Legacy Tour in Toronto September 29th, 2024, and I had a fantastic time. I just wanted to share with you the footage that I got. Take it easy, enjoy some of these beats, and definitely respect seeing some of the Marleys live performing their father's song, Legacy. This guy's pretty nice too here. Draw love.
Somebody say pull up. Do it about. Come back and permit. If you need love, put your hands in the air right now. Put on. Just give it a light and pass it. Hey, 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 hey. All the lights in here. In here. In here. In here. In here. William, and now you see the light. Hey, you stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, Georgia. Stand up for your rights. Stand up, get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Hey, get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Reality. Voice up. They don't care for you, don't care for me. You see, so much. What did you say? So much. Hey, when there's just so much trouble, there's just so much trouble. So much trouble. There's so much trouble, so much violence. You know, tell me better you keep silent. So much trouble, so much violence. You know, tell me. Because the president, no matter the consequence. You want to get it better, there's no improvement. And everywhere you go, that's another problem. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Oh! Everyone all around but have a temperament. But get some of these things you can't free yourself. Yes, ask my man violence in the world. Whoa! Somewhere on the farming, instead of a concrete jungle. Hey, your cookie shop is made like virtuous. Hey, in the concrete jungle. Complicate your mind, flee from hate, mischief and jealousy. Don't bury your thoughts, put your visions to reality. All together now, wake up and live on. Wake up and live. Wake up and live on. Wake up and live. I can't tell them it come on, love, 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 every time. Speak happiness, stand it up without your voice. Yeah. Come on and all, let's speak up love. Stand it up without your voice. Hey. We don't need no. We don't need no. What we need is so Julian come and me narrow this music from the small and we used to play family Mondays, we call it up. Any question when you ask, I want them. Hey, I'm here, but tell her no, the song is made around. But tell her no, I'm here, still in there. Hey, the song is. It's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. When I'm thinking about the moment, it make me feel like a sweet winter. One child. No